Now let's head to the colorful rainforests of Central and South America, where we find the golden dart frog. They look adorable, but within their skin glands they store a toxin, enough of it, on average, to kill 10 human beings. If the poison enters your bloodstream, you'll likely be dead in under 10 minutes. The people who live in these forests have used this poison on their darts for hunting. Golden dart frogs are small and brightly colored. Their beautiful appearance is like a warning sign for other animals that they are dangerous to touch or eat. These frogs live in the thick forests of Central and South America, where they help the plants grow by spreading seeds. It's important to admire them from a distance to stay safe.